I have therefore spoken to His Majesty the King to notify him that I am resigning as leader of the Conservative Party.
Hello South Africa. UK PM Liz Truss resigns after 44 days in office. UK Prime Minister Liz Truss announced her resignation on Thursday, October 20th. She is the shortest-serving PM in British history but will remain in office until the individual that replaces her as leader of the Conservative Party is elected over the next week. Truss replaced Boris Johnson approximately 6 weeks ago with the promise of an economic program that would rejuvenate the British economy. In the weeks that followed, Truss was unable to fulfill her promises and the divisions in her party deepened as members lost faith in her ability to lead. In her resignation speech, said she was elected by the Conservative Party at a time of great economic and international instability and given the mandate to change things. We delivered on energy bills and on cutting national insurance. And we set out a vision for a low-tax, high-growth economy that would take advantage of the freedoms of Brexit. I recognize though, given the situation, I cannot deliver the mandate on which I was elected by the Conservative Party. I have therefore spoken to His Majesty the King to notify him that I am resigning as leader of the Conservative Party, said Truss. The leader of the Labour Party, Keir Starmer, called for an immediate general election after the Prime Minister's abrupt resignation. This is Leah for the South African.